In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and highlight duplicates in Google Sheets quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're managing a small dataset or a large spreadsheet, identifying duplicate entries can make your task much more streamlined. So, let's dive right in. To get started, open your Google Sheet and select the range of cells you want to inspect for duplicates. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across the desired cells. This is the first crucial step, as it tells Google Sheets where to look for your duplicate values. Once you have your range selected, head over to the menu at the top of your screen and click on Format. From the drop-down list that appears, select Conditional Formatting. This feature allows us to apply specific visual changes to cells based on criteria we define. It's incredibly versatile and particularly useful for tasks like ours. Now that you're in the Conditional Formatting menu, you'll see a section labeled Format Rules. Here, you'll want to select the option for Custom Formula Is. This option gives us the flexibility to precisely define the conditions under which formatting will be applied. Now, let's input the formula that will help us detect any duplicates. If your range starts at cell A1, enter the following formula. COUNTIF AA A1 1. This formula works by counting how many times each value appears in column A. If a value appears more than once, which is what the greater than one part specifies, it identifies that value as a duplicate. Make sure that the cell reference matches the starting point of your range. Otherwise, the formula won't work correctly. The next step is to choose a formatting style. Think about how you'd like the duplicates to stand out visually. Perhaps a bright background color or bold text. You'll find several options here, such as changing the text color, adding a background color, or even making the text bold or italicized. Select whatever style you feel will make the duplicates pop out. Once you're satisfied with your formatting choices, simply click Done. And just like that, any duplicate values within your specified range will be highlighted according to the formatting style you chose. This visual cue will make spotting duplicates a breeze and ensure your data stays organized. And there you have it, an efficient way to manage duplicates in Google Sheets. By following these steps, you can maintain cleaner and more accurate spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy Google Sheets tips and tricks. See you in the next video.